ready, set, go.
All right, everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Coming to you from our restorated 1962 Chevy Corvette convertible. As you do see, it has been fully done to its perfectionality. This one we have here featuring, we like to either call it a dark red or even a tomato soup red if you really want to look at it. Featuring a black manual top, and I will say that again, most of these Vettes were manual tops back in the day and still is today. Featuring the nice new white wall tires, old school rally wheels, but of course they have the correct Corvette hubcaps on it. As we move on to the inside, as you can see, it is a 4-speed manual. Other than that, it has the updated but original style cluster. As you can see right there, everything is mostly digitalized and more accurate than it was back in the day. Updated 2-knob retro sound style radio, still having the correct fan and settings there with the clock. Other than that, you got the twin vinyl bucket seats and the very cool emergency I can't hold on to this cool car handle with the Corvette emblem in the middle. And of course, to look nice and to impress and not for the high beams at night, the mirror right there on the dash. Other than that, as we move on to the underside of the hood, featuring a 327 freshly done motor, chrome valve covers. As you can see, most of the spark plug wires and motor work has been redone. When we first got this car, it featured a 283 small block, but of course people like to upgrade their motors to different kinds. I'm not sure if the motor will be included in the sale, but it is a better motor to have than the 283. Other than that, she's going up the road. We are going 46, 49, almost 50 miles an hour. Now in 4th gear, as you can see, we are smooth cruising right now. Temperature is about 185, 190. And other than that, it's pretty much the dream car you've been looking for. And of course, you know these earlier Vettes are getting harder and rarer by the day. So now it's your chance to get a fully done, restorated car by Skyway Classics. But as for now, though, we are just going to get it turned around and up on the lift. So please stay tuned with us to see the underside.